We'll just spend about an hour in the van heading out to lovely Selkirk, Ontario. A client of mine has a cottage down here where obviously they don't have a window cleaner, so picking them up. They've asked me to come down here, take a look at the place. It's a beautiful house. I think what's more beautiful is this view. Let me show you. Hold on a second. Look at this. I know it's rainy and cloudy and a bit windy, but you just got the beautiful lake right here. Lots of waves. It's got a nice little breeze. Not too cold today, but certainly wet. One fun thing that I like about this job is it puts me in places like here where I wouldn't normally come. I really wouldn't go. I wouldn't have a reason to come out to Selkirk or be off Lake Erie here or even see these cool homes. So one thing that I really do enjoy since I got into this business is just the opportunity to visit some really cool places. It really makes the job fun and worthwhile. And obviously, those like this, which aren't normal, you don't normally see. They're also a challenge to clean. So it keeps the job interesting, keeps us on our toes, and we have fun doing it. So I'm gonna walk around this property and take a look at everything, and get a pricing off to the owner, and hopefully we can settle this up and close a deal and come clean these windows in about a month or two. Anyways, that's it for me today. You guys enjoy your day. Hopefully it's not raining wherever you are. Take care.